Let me tell you one of the easiest digital products you can sell on Etsy right now. They are Notion templates. You don't need any shipping or inventory. You just create these digital planners inside Notion and then you sell them as templates in your Etsy store. It's that simple. You create it once and you can sell it an unlimited amount of times, and it's free to do so. And today I'm going to show you exactly how to find winning product ideas, winning Notion templates ideas, and validate them with EverBee so you don't have to create them for nothing but to actually make sales. Let's get started. Most beginners start like, I want to create this because this is a product I like and people will surely buy it. But this is a great mistake. The first thing you need to do is research and see exactly what people want to buy before you start creating the actual product. Digital products succeed based on demand, not your personal taste. So first, before opening Notion and starting to create your template, make sure to open Etsy with EverBee and analyze, and do your strategy. Make sure to do a market research first. So go to Etsy and log into EverBee and make sure to do some searches for Notion templates, planners, budget templates, and see exactly what shows up, how many products are selling. Let's do this right now. So you open Etsy and you search for Notion template. These became more popular in the near past, so there are a lot of people that are making them and selling them. But there's still room for improvement because a lot of people buy them also. So let's see this bestseller. It sells for $2, but if I analyze it with EverBee, it makes 600 euros per month. And if I go to the shop, I click Analyze Shop, and you can see that they have a bunch of products that they're selling a lot of. Luxury Instagram templates, again, Notion planner, templates, and more. Keep researching for, look, social media portal, $30. And let's see how much it's making, 300 euros per month. And then if you analyze the shop, it also shows you other products that are selling really well. And as you can see, a life planner Notion template is selling really well as well. So you can see here that is making over 1,500 euros per month. So this is what you need to do first, is go see the products that are already on the platform, see what people are searching for, what people are buying, and then you use the EverBee keyword research tool to find keywords that people are searching for that don't necessarily have products for them yet. So by going to the research tool right here in EverBee, you will find a bunch of products that you might want to sell. So if, for example, you search for Notion planner, you search by keyword score and you can see wellness planner, that girl planner, student planner, skincare planner, meal plan for groceries, and you can see the score, the competition, the search volume, and you can start creating your product based on these things that EverBee tells you. So with templates on Etsy, you need to think very niched. So as I said, freelancer dashboard, Notion planner, content creator planner, student study planner, and more. Because specific templates sell a lot better than general ones. Now you actually start building the template inside Notion, and that is very easy to do. With this, you can also get inspiration from other templates on Etsy, so you can see exactly what they include. They have a banner with a photo, they have different sections. You need to keep those in mind and do them for your listing as well, but do not copy. Again, just make sure that they include the things and the details that people want them to include. And also keep in mind what listing photos work really well on Etsy. Are they mock-ups of an iPad using that template? Because I've seen that a lot. Mock-ups of that template being used on a laptop, because people want to see that rather than just the Notion template as the first photo and that's it. I would rather use a mock-up with a tech tool such as a laptop, iPad, or phone. Make sure to also price your templates accordingly. So look at what other competitors are pricing their templates for and do the same pricing, maybe a little lower since you are a beginner. Now, the best part about selling digital products on Etsy is that once you create one product, one template, for example, and it sells really well, you can then just make some modifications to it and transform it into a different template, like student template, meal planner template. And you don't have to create the product from scratch every single time. You can even do it in different colors, as with Instagram templates, for example, you can just modify the colors, the mock-up photos, the text, move it a little bit, and then you have a full set of templates that you can sell all over again. So EverBee doesn't just help you find the first idea, it helps you long term to also optimize your listings, titles, description, and tags with the right keywords, and make your items reach the first page in search and actually make sales. Now, if you want to sell Notion planners or any other digital product on Etsy, it doesn't mean it will be instant success. You will need to be consistent with it, create more templates, more products, post every single day, have activity in Etsy teams or with other Etsy products, share your products on social media, and this will help you really boost your sales and create a brand, not just an Etsy store. So if you've been thinking of starting to sell digital products on Etsy for a while, Notion planners are a great place to start right now because the competition is not super high yet. And with EverBee, you can find the right keywords to start with, the right products to create right now, to make sales, even with 0 sales right now with a beginner Etsy store. Make sure to check out EverBee at the link in the description and let me know in the comments below which type of Notion template would you create. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in my next one. Bye!